Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a creamy, decadent chocolate mousse cake recipe. I'm going to start by taking some finely crushed Oreos. You can do this in a food processor or use a Ziploc bag. To this, I'm going to add in around 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and give this a mix. I have listed all the ingredients and the measurements on my blog. The link will be in the description box. Now to this, add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of melted butter and some milk. Add the milk gradually and keep mixing. Now transfer the prepared batter into a greased and lined spring form cake tin. Bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven or until a toothpick or skewer comes out clean. To prepare the chocolate ganache for the mousse, I'm going to take around 100 grams of dark chocolate and bring some cream to a light simmer. Now I'm going to pour the hot cream over the chocolate and let this sit for around a minute or so. Now give this a mix until you get a glossy, thick ganache and let it cool down completely once it's done. Once the ganache and cake are completely cooled, I'm going to start whipping the cream until I get medium stiff peaks. So now I'm preparing a ice bath to whip the cream. I have refrigerated the cream for around 4 hours and added the powdered sugar before refrigerating the cream. You can skip this step if your cream already has sugar added. This is now whipped to medium stiff peaks. Now I'm going to add in some of the ganache and again beat it. Now I'll fold the rest of the ganache in until the mousse is completely ready. Now I'm going to put the mousse on top of the cake and spread this out evenly. Now refrigerate this for around 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Once the cake is ready, demold it, cut a slice and dig in. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the comment box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned until the next video.